The new iPhone 16 is here, and while Apple showed off the big headliners, the real magic is buried deep inside iOS 18. I'm talking about powerful, game-changing features they never even mentioned on stage. These aren't just small tweaks, they're secrets that will fundamentally upgrade how you use your phone every single day, making it faster, smarter, and more secure. Forget what you think you know about your iPhone. Today, I'm revealing the hidden features that will unlock its true potential. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk battery life. We all want more of it. Buried in your settings is the new Smart Battery Optimizer. This isn't your standard low-power mode. The iPhone 16's AI learns your daily charging and usage patterns, intelligently managing background processes and power consumption when you least need them. It's like having a personal battery assistant working 24/7. To turn it on, just navigate to Settings, then Battery, and toggle on Smart Optimizer. Set it once and enjoy that extra juice at the end of the day, automatically. Next, forget the old ways of searching. There's a new gesture that's an absolute game changer. Just swipe diagonally from the bottom left corner of your screen. This instantly summons the new AI-powered search. It's context-aware, meaning it understands what you're doing and anticipates what you might need. It's faster than asking Siri, and way faster than manually typing into the search bar. You can find apps, contacts, or even specific information within your documents and photos with a single, fluid motion. This will become muscle memory in no time. For all the photographers and videographers out there, this one is for you. The camera app has a hidden professional-level control. Instead of the old tap-and-hold method, simply tap the screen with 2 fingers simultaneously. This instantly unlocks separate manual focus and exposure lock controls. You can now pull focus to one subject while locking the exposure on another part of the scene. It gives you the kind of creative control you'd normally expect from a DSLR. Creators are going to absolutely love this for nailing the perfect shot. This next feature is incredibly powerful and useful for everyone. The iPhone 16 can now transcribe any audio playing on or around your device in real time. I'm talking phone calls, FaceTime chats, videos you're watching, or even a conversation happening in the room. It's a huge leap for accessibility and a fantastic tool for productivity, like getting instant notes from a lecture or meeting. To activate it, go into your accessibility settings and enable Live Transcribe. The accuracy is stunning, and it all happens securely on your device. If you use the Shortcuts app, you need to know about this. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the main screen and you'll find a new section called Smart Actions. Tap it. This isn't about building your own automations. This is the iPhone's AI offering you pre-built intelligent workflows based on your behavior. You'll find hidden one-tap automations to do things like automatically respond to common messages, clean up your device storage, or launch your most used apps for the morning. It's proactive automation made simple. Privacy is more important than ever, and the iPhone 16 has a brilliant, hidden anti-snooping feature. Using the front-facing true-depth camera system, your phone can now detect when someone else is looking over your shoulder at your screen. When it senses a second pair of eyes, a tiny discrete icon appears in your status bar. It's a silent alert that lets you know your screen isn't private. For sensitive information, this is an invaluable privacy shield that works quietly in the background to protect your data from prying eyes. Did you know you can customize the physical feel of your iPhone? Apple has hidden 5 distinct haptic feedback levels. You can fine-tune everything from the gentle taps of the keyboard to the strong vibrations of a notification. Whether you prefer subtle feedback or something more pronounced, you can find the perfect level for you. Dive into Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, and finally Haptics. Test them out and customize your iPhone's physical response to your exact liking. Here's a fun one. Want some exclusive wallpapers that nobody else has? Apple's designers and developers have a secret stash hidden right in the OS. To unlock them, go to your wallpaper settings in the Settings app. Now, tap the Collections header at the top of the screen 4 times in quick succession. A little confetti animation will play, and you'll unlock Apple's secret developer wallpaper pack. It's a cool little Easter egg, with some unique designs you won't find anywhere else. Now for our first bonus tip, turning the entire back of your iPhone into a customizable button. It's called Back Tap. Go to Accessibility, then Touch, and scroll down to Back Tap. Here you can assign actions to a double tap or a triple tap on the back of your phone. I set my double tap to take a screenshot and my triple tap to open the camera. It works flawlessly even with a case on and feels like magic. You can have it run a complex shortcut, toggle the flashlight, or so much more. Ever wished you could lock individual apps with Face ID? While Apple doesn't offer a direct setting, we can build it ourselves with a clever shortcut. Open the Shortcuts app, go to Automation, and create a new personal automation. Set the trigger to App. Choose the app you want to lock, like Photos or Messages, and make sure Is Opened is selected. For the action, search for an Add Lock screen. Now, whenever that app is opened, your iPhone will instantly lock, requiring Face ID to proceed. It's the perfect privacy workaround. We spend hours on our phones, and eye strain is a real problem. The iPhone 16 has a new feature to help protect your vision called Screen Distance. It uses the True Depth camera to gently warn you when you're holding your phone closer than 12 inches from your face for an extended period. It's designed to help reduce eye strain and encourage healthier viewing habits, especially for younger users. Find it in Settings, under Screen Time, and then Screen Distance. It's a simple toggle for a healthier digital life. Your iPhone can listen for you. The sound recognition feature can notify you of sounds like smoke alarms or doorbells, but now you can add your own. Go to Accessibility, then Sound Recognition, and look for the option to add a custom sound. You can teach your iPhone to recognize the specific chime of your doorbell, the beep of your microwave, or any other unique sound in your home. When your iPhone hears it, you'll get a notification. It's incredibly useful, and Apple says the battery impact is minimal. Let's fine-tune your touch even more. Haptic touch is the long press action that brings up context menus and previews, and you can actually change its speed. Head to Accessibility, then Touch, and select Haptic Touch. You'll see two options, Default and Fast. Fast significantly reduces the delay before the haptic feedback and menu appears. It makes the entire phone feel snappier and more responsive. Give it a try. You can test the difference right there on the preview image. Most people prefer Fast once they discover it. The magnifier is one of the most underrated accessibility tools, and it's now more powerful than ever. First, add it to your control center for quick access. Once open, it's more than just a magnifying glass. You can use freeze frame to capture a still image of what you're looking at, perfect for a menu or serial number. Then you can apply filters to increase contrast, use the flashlight to illuminate your subject, and even save the image. It's a digital multi-tool for anyone who needs a closer look. Finally, a truly futuristic feature, personal voice. This allows you to create a synthesized voice that sounds just like you, right on your iPhone. It's designed for those who may lose their ability to speak, but anyone can use it. You record a series of phrases, and your iPhone's AI securely creates your voice on device. Nothing is sent to the cloud. Once created, you can use it with live speech to type anything and have your iPhone speak it for you, in your own voice. It's a profound piece of technology. And there you have it. 16 powerful hidden features to completely transform your iPhone 16 experience. From the Smart Battery Optimizer and AI Search, to Back Tap, App Lock, and Personal Voice, you are now a certified iPhone power user. If you discovered a new feature today that you're excited to try, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into iPhone, iOS, and AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.